Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F19, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. To get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. Then I want to swipe down once again to extend the list of accessible toggles. One of those should be a power saving mode. It might not be visible on the first page. If it's not, just go to the next one. And you can see that for me, it is located on the second page right over here, power saving mode. Now, I am going to add that if you don't see it on either page, you might need to add it, which you do by clicking right here on these three dots and selecting Edit Tiles and just pressing on the power button, or not power, plus button, like this one. So here we have additional power saving mode called Super Power Saving Mode. I will add it just so I can display how that one works as well. But in any case, let's go back to our normal power saving mode. So this one is the normal one. When you click on it, it will automatically turn on, and there is not much info about what it will change. So I can only assume it might change the refresh rate of the display and additionally delay notification delivery. So it's doing that by basically turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not really using your device. So it will go into this kind of a sleep mode, at which point it might reconnect to it every so often, every like 10, 20, maybe 30 minutes, just so it can see if it's missing something, sync that up, and then again turn it off. It will also automatically reconnect to both Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're using the device. Now, keep in mind, this is just a speculation. I have no clue. I can see as much as you what is happening once you turn it on. Anyway, so that's the normal power saving mode. And the super power saving mode is a little bit more limiting. It does extend the battery life quite a lot, but as you can see, it also removes your wallpapers, most of the applications from being accessible, and your toggles also become pretty barren in terms of what you can access here. So there we go. This will give you a significantly better battery life. As you can see, by default, it apparently extends it to up to 2 days and 13 hours. Now, this isn't necessarily the best battery life I have seen on super power saving mode. While it does limit your device, it doesn't really give you that great of a battery life. It is at 90% right now, so with 90% it is still only going to get 2.5 days basically. Now to quit this mode, you could just click right over here and then select Exit Super Power Saving Mode. And as you can see, it goes back to the normal one. So there we go. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.